Hey Baris, thanks for answering my emails. I've just got home. What I'll do is I'll show you what this is doing. I'll turn the lights off first of all, turn the car off, remove the key, give it a second. Okay, hopefully it'll work. Put the key back in, turn the ignition on, system comes on. Try this button, nothing at all. Turn it, nothing at all. Menu, television, nothing there. Menu, GPS, so that seems to work okay. No sound though. I think you pressed instruction. Something around repeat the. Yeah, nothing there. So the instruction isn't working. Back to computer. Just try that again. Menu. Not sure what else to show you really. Nothing there. Any help appreciated, and I'll send you a mail. Thank you.